Imagine a world where music does more than entertain. It heals, it transforms, it connects. Welcome to Aural Civilization, a visionary fusion of art, technology, and wellness. This isn't just a new way to experience music, it's a revolution in how we interact with sound and each other. Here, cutting-edge psychoacoustic technology meets the immersive power of synthesizers, creating experiences that are as therapeutic as they are mesmerizing. Each performance is a crafted blend of science and art, designed not only to delight the senses, but also to nurture the soul. Aural Civilization isn't confined to concert halls, it's a global movement, reaching out from bustling cities to serene retreats, inviting everyone to partake in a symphony of sustainability and peace. With every note played, this project pledges respect for our planet, integrating eco-friendly practices that ensure each event harmonizes with Earth itself. Join us in this journey of deep listening, where every beat is a step towards personal and planetary health. This is more than a concert series, it's a gateway to a future where music, therapy, and environmental consciousness converge in harmony. Aural Civilization, composing the symphony of the future, one note at a time.